Hi, welcome to AP All-in-One YouTube channel. I am your Parvati Chandrasekhar. Today we will discuss about mechanism of digestion. So what is mean by digestion? Digestion is the process by which complex substances are converted into simple food substances. So our digestion is start from mouth itself. So taking food into the body is called digestion. Chewing food is necessary in digestion. So the large pieces of food we eat that mechanically broken into smaller pieces. And also teeth helps to break down of food and chewing. And saliva secretes from secretory glands and saliva converts starch into sugar. And tongue is very necessary for taste the food and also swallowing food. After chewing the food entry into the esophagus. So swallowed food enter into the esophagus. While entering, so in this time epiglottis is helps to prevent food entry into the trachea or windpipe and it push down into the food pipe. So when food entry into the food pipe, it start relax and contraction movement. This process is called peristalsis movement. So in the esophagus no digestion takes place because in esophagus no enzymes. Afterwards it will enter into the stomach. The stomach is thick walled bag. Stomach is thick walled bag. It look like J shaped. So it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives food from food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other end. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. The mucus protects the lining of the stomach and the acid helps to kill many bacteria that enter along with the food and also it makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps in the digestive juices to act. So, the digestive juices break down the proteins into simple substances and HCl converts into pepsinogen and pepsinogen active into pepsin and also pepsin it will helps to digestive protein. So now digestive food enter into the small intestine. Liver is the reddish brown gland and it is situated in upper part of the abdomen on the right side and it is largest gland in the alimentary canal. It secretes bile juice that is stored in sac called gallbladder. Bile juice emulsification of fat. Pancreas. Pancreas is a large cream colored gland and it's located just below the stomach. So the pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, proteins and it changes them into simple form. Pancreatic produces pancreatic enzymes which contain trypsin. It will helps to digestion of protein and lipase it can digest fat and nucleic it digestion DNA. Small intestine starts absorption. So food consumed is digested and is now ready to be absorbed it into the small intestine. So absorption of food in small intestine by the help of villi. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowth is called villi. So otherwise villus. So finger-like projection is called villi. So villi absorbed digested food materials and transported via the blood vessels to different organs of the body. See how villi start absorption of food. So, the digested food pass into the blood vessels in the wall of small intestine. This process is called absorption. It is very important for one mark question. The inner wall of the small intestine have thousand of finger like outgrowth is called villi. See here how blood vessels can absorbing food. After digestion, so the remaining undigested food or unabsorbed food enter into the large intestine. Now we will see about large intestine. Large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. So it is helps to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food materials, and the fecal matter is removed through anus from time to time is called egestion.